Facebook is about inviting your friends, your family, enjoy yourself, post funny things, you know. So why are you there acting dramas, you know? I believe, especially the ladies, you know, they don't have reserve, they don't have dignity in them, you know.
That reserve, not that dignity and pride. He lost for some, not be all. Some, yes.
They don't have it, especially all this. They are from Italy. A lot of them, they are from Italy. That is just it.
You don't mistake. You don't mistake. But why? Carry on.
A lot of them, they are from Italy. I've been to Italy once, you understand? Especially the way the ladies act. When I was dating a boy from Italy. When I was dating a boy from Italy.
Wait first. You don't come Italy once.
I don't come Italy once.
Okay, you are coming back. You are coming back the second time. Or you are continuing.
So when I was dating a boy in Italy, I see the frustration in them, especially all these single mother. They don't have a husband to call their own after they don't use their self on the streets, you know. So they are frustrated. They are not satisfied. Maybe they meet some guys who dupe them, something like that. They are frustrated. That is what I just see in them. So they don't have dignity, or maybe they are looking for people, viewers, you know. They want to, because I don't know make them presenter. They are not presenter. I don't know make them. They are not. So social media, I'm enjoying myself. I post my face there. I post some funny joke. I chat with a lot of people. Then I get out of there. That is social media. That is what it meant for. It's not for nakedness and all this lesbian disgracing their pussy. I don't pity the people that their future husband, that is what I'm going to say. I don't pity their future husband who is going to put them home. Because in Europe, you need to use your head. You need to use your head. You understand? If nobody will advise you, advise yourself. Must you tell everybody about your problem on social media? Why can't you advise yourself? If nobody advises, all of them, they are mothers. A lot of them, especially the one I have in this this way I am. I don't want to mention the name. Maybe I don't already show myself on Facebook on whatever. I'm talking about Ivie. I'm talking about Ivie, especially that Ivie. Especially that one had three boys. You understand? Misbehaving, exposing yourself on social media, or in the name, or you want to get the viewers. You understand?
They fall for toilet. No,
I'm telling you, that one, it pains me a lot. That one, that is the worst disgrace I ever see on earth.
That toilet issue is beyond joke. As a woman, the moment you talk that kind of word, you say your pride, you mean you don't have this.
She get three boys. Well, I do see the children in the morning when the ex-husband is going to drop them at school. I do see them in the morning. I don't feel touched. I say when you look at their mother, she's on social media disgracing herself. You understand who is a no-gay? Small boy, who is a no-gay? You just make yourself cheap low to a no-gay. To be using you on social media, you disgracing yourself on social media. All in the name you want to get is what of if those children grow up tomorrow? What name are you going to represent yourself to them? This is the problem. This is the I don't know, Sha. Me, I don't know. It's frustration or maybe lack of sex, lack of enough sex. It causes a lot of things too. Or maybe they are looking for a boyfriend also. So this is the problem. You understand? I think this is their problem. So I don't pity their life.
What when they affect so single women when they don't already born for Europe? Me personally, I be teaching a single women now they ever get sense past guess when they never born. But it depends. I just talked that one, but try to understand me. Single women when they say they Europe, when they don't already born, some it is difficult for them to get boyfriend. So they desperate. If they say they not gonna get boyfriend, now they toast by themselves, and they toast boys by themselves. They do so desperate. No matter how you did desperate rich, make sure say your pride and your dignity as a woman, you keep on. As you keep on. Even though you go approach man.
Shut up, who is that? What does it matter? Shut up your mouth. Do you know Jenny she's very close to me? We are in the same city. Shut up your mouth. Do you know her? Shut up your mouth. We are in the same city. She has visited me in my party. We have been here together for long. So shut up your mouth for you talking that rubbish. Why am I talking about somebody like that? You are very stupid. So tell me that.
My sister, see, if they talk, you don't need to too much mind about comments. But if they follow comments, you know if you talk. One thing when me they talk about it, they say I don't like today because if I watch people live video sometimes, if I just see check Facebook, I just see.
Because when you just start all this thing, when you just start all this drama,
video, not the good.
The first time he with Okeke come out, you understand? I'm getting angry for.
Just try not to use this sort, okay? Just try not to use this.
The first time, if Zenith just start all these things, you understand? I call Ize, we were in the same bus. I know where Ize was walking. I was working also. So when I close, we do meet at bus stop. Sometimes I tell Zenith, this thing have happened. You understand? Everybody made mistake. You understand what I'm saying? So all this live video, you got to drop it. For now, you have to leave Facebook for a while. But she didn't listen to me. She did it. Oh, I don't know how to put it. So maybe she knew what she was doing. Or she knew, maybe she used that one to get popular. Or she used that one to get more viewer. You understand? That is why he did what he did at the first time.
Which kind of popular viewer? You see, if for example, you see, as I do this live video now, how many viewers are there now? Shade 19, Abi? Shade 19. But if you check all of them now, if you check their comments, nobody they use insults. That one are waiting the important. But if you reach there now, they get like 1,000 view or 800 view. If they see insults, some go they say lobo. You saw those insults now. Waiting not just they like to watch live video. Because live video, I just take on like, as I call you now, we'll be friends. That
is why I don't want to show. That is why I was saying I don't want to show myself. When I called that, I don't want to show myself. I don't want anybody to see me. I don't want to show myself because I know myself. I have to keep myself, save my image. So that is why I said I don't want to show myself because I know a lot of people say.
I did hear you, but just try not to use this sort. I understand you.
So I don't have anything against Ize. I'm just pity for the children. I do see the children in the money. I live in Austria. Yeah. I live in Salzburg. Ize live in Salzburg also. You understand? It's because I love her before, but the way she have gone, or the way she have doing her things, it make me cut off from her. It make me cut off from her. So everybody will think that is the same thing she's doing. She was doing in Salzburg before.
At least because if you decide to associate with him and instantly behave like that, we'll see say that the same thing when they deny you still do. So if you say your friends, your character not good, you're buffon.
All those Monica, whatever what they call them, they should first settle their homes. They should first mind their business. They should first put their home in order. Nobody that don't know all this, they are coming to social media, try to advise what marriage is all about, what whatever. I don't know. How you need to keep your relationship. How you need to.
One person never to keep a relationship. You want the person want to keep a relationship.
You understand? I pity those people that listen to them. I pity those people that listen to them. I am married to my husband. Now that is my white husband. I'm married to my Austrian husband for more than 10 years now. You understand? I don't have mother here. I don't have father here. You understand? I don't listen to outside advisor. How can you come to social media? How can you come to social media and be advising people? You have to know how to keep. Did you keep your home? How is your home? Your mouth, the way you speak, it talk about you. You understand? The way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself, talk a lot about you. So you don't need to come to social media. Everybody are using you as an example. If you look at my Facebook, now my Facebook is very decent. You understand? Very decent. I post joke. I post my page. All my children are there. I have 2 kids. My kids are there. You understand? I'm in Europe now more than 10 years.
I just tired because you want to call live video. They say I want to advise you. So the right phone number. The right phone number. I need husband. I did Austria. I need husband for Italy. Don't they know how the pride? All those they are.
All these people, they are the people that stay in Italy before. They are making all this nonsense. They are tired of road work. They are tired of road work. I don't know how to put it. Road work have gotten into their head. You understand? They don't know how to put their self. They don't know how to position their life again. Their life is frustrated.
They don't already make sure I say a lot of they don't live for Italy before they come out. Maybe, you know, say some if you don't tire for Italy, you'll go gym and go do camp issue from there they sustain. So most they don't they talk about their life, they say a lot of the Italy the first thing now. Italy the first born some born for Italy before they don't come out. So now so good.
So they're coming to social media talking about relationship, how to spice up your relationship, how to do this, how to position this. Who are you? Who are you guys? Who make you guys
First you go market, you go buy hair tie because of live video you want come for night. You put spectacle for
face. They'll carry makeup. They'll carry gede. A responsible housewife, you understand? You don't need to come to social media with a lot of makeup with those red lipstick. Whether they carry put for mouth, so they don't come to live video, come present themselves, just sit down. You understand? Now they talk rubbish because more I see people, more I show themselves, so now get clothes, now get all this whatever. All this are nonsense. And if they say they have husband, their husband is weakly. Their husband is weakly. You understand? They marry a weakly husband because a responsible husband will not allow his wife to come to social media and say nonsense.
Yeah, no man, because normally man not supposed to house. If you want to become presenter, don't be bad to you. But they get check American presenter, they do it for social media. You go fall in love with their presenters. You go fall in love. Me, I don't be presenter. Just like to talk sometimes. Talk that fire presenter. I think comfort can me because I'm presenter. So just maybe at the live video, like they like to come live video. They do just they play, they do anyhow. If to say I be presenter, as I can't forget topic when I carry come. I don't be presenter, so I just kind of like play fun with my people. Presenter, if you watch America or
now because they don't get mama for you where they advise there. They don't get papa here where they advise there. Anybody not carry papa call, nobody carry mama call. Everybody, you got to use your head to get what you want. You understand? Especially when you don't have children. What tomorrow? All this naked video they are showing on social media. All the drama they are acting on social media. What if their children grow up tomorrow? What are they going to tell them?
They go see now. You know, so all those things they delete them. All those things they delete channel. Like me now, me particularly. No live video of nakedness don't come across me when I know see today now. Anyone may come across me today my email.
Useless mother. That is what they are. That is what they are. They don't have this thing. They don't have common this thing on their head.
How woman are they comfortable? You will carry phone, you will snap it or you will send and give person. It is very stupid. Even myself, how you will snap your dick, they comfortable, send and give woman. If it my girlfriend, if I did miss you, I'll call you, come my house. We'll do what you want to do, you'll come out. Don't be phone. No make sense.
No, they put all those small children, those children where they get, though they put their life in danger. No, they put their life in danger. And they don't know what it takes. And for you to carry belly for womb for 9 months. You understand? Now they carry on our children, they swell up and down. Like waiting that they call her now. That one they carry his son. They play gigolo. When I watched that video yesterday, that naked one. So when I watched her yesterday, I said, God, even your son even did the video. Because when you carry for womb for 9 months, good 9 months, because of your fellow woman, you no. God have mercy. This world is coming to an end. May God help us, you know. May the good God help. That is why I was hiding my face, because I don't want anybody to drag my name on the mud. You understand? Because I love my family, I love myself, I love the 2 children I gave birth to. So I don't want anybody to say, now you perfect pass. So that is why I was hiding my face before. I don't want them to see me. You know.
And one thing when you don't know, all those gossip, all those people they don't get time. If you like hide, they go talk. If you come back, then go talk. So you talk and let them talk. That's just the life.
But what do you mean once? Who made the presenter? This is what I'm talking about. Because Monica with Lolo, they went to award in is in Italy, Spain or that? I don't know. Who made the presenter? When are they collecting award? What are they doing? What are they presenting?
Nigeria don't get presenter for Italy, for Europe. We don't get now.
So
we get Facebook noise makers. But I never see presenter. Yeah, but I know say we get Facebook noise makers, yeah. But I never see presenters. Because me, I know a presenter. So the rest people when they see what they call themselves presenter, and they call them noise makers. So I don't know the presenter one at the top because I never see one.
This is what All these people.
I never see one. So,
When they went to award, I don't know. They went to go and collect award. I was asking myself, I said, what are they presenting?
see, make I tell you about those awards. All those ones, not to showcase themselves for nothing. You see all those type of women, You see all those type of women. Now, women will be say they will be like this for the family. The man will be like this for the family. They will deal on top of the
husband,
man
even
for
the
the
husband
family.
when they present for Facebook, sometimes I go they ask.
Which husband? One they do live video 130 times. One they do live video for 130 times. It mark number. They say people want marry. Then his husband call her. Say when I tell you just as I want to do live video now. And the husband they do like this. They do like this. They do. Hi. Say this people. And their followers they go they believe say that this one will really give you a husband.
God, the husband when they present for Facebook, they don't go even give me those one for sugar daddy where I go go accept.
Holy babe, it's not by mama.
Yes, their husband when I cook my chocolate.
You don't at home. You cannot stay with your parents forever. Yeah.
Bro,
you see one thing,
bros,
you see,
especially the one when all present.
may I answer this my holy babe now? You know, say if you deal with your parents will give you some more training. Then if you can't come out for your parents' house, then you can't need to use your account now. So they say do what you like or do what you don't like. Who don't spoil? Don't spoil. There are some things now where we say, I'll say now. There are some things now I suppose want to do now. Based on say, I know as I take I know the family when I for come, I know about one. If for example now if I go occasion now, maybe say person do birthday, do party. Me, I know they drink alcohol, I know they smoke. If person do birthday now, do party, even though for my church they do celebration, it is hard for me to eat. Because now they bring food come out, make I eat. All those things be by phone, but they don't say, I get why they phone. I know they phone because I remember that time when I did Nigeria. My father and mom when they say they did different meeting. Not be just the day meeting. The meeting I go be the chairman. As fast as the chairman, I need the supposed serve with me, serve everything. My father don't chop anyone. And I mean the drive my daddy they go out. And the thing go they flink me. I will see the rest of the members, they carry meat, they drink. My daddy go just the single drink. Sometimes he will carry drink. But food, chew meat, all those kind of things, no go test them. So those things go they flink me. Right from Nigeria, that's why I take day. I mean, as I still did this Europe now, if I come back sometimes, even those for ordinary my church, for me to carry something chop, it go hard me, not beside the phone.